Hi, so this is my jewel case unboxing, and I kind of was afraid I wasn't gonna get all 7 covers, so I already opened this and looked at all 7 covers, and I got all 7 covers, so that's good. But yeah, we're gonna unbox and see my pulls, like the photo cards. I haven't looked at those yet. So we'll just start from the top because I didn't put them in order or anything. So here we have, this is Hitchon's and his poster. I honestly wish they would have picked a different picture for this cover. There was so many like great outfits and stuff, and this is one of my least favorite ones, so I was kind of sad. But yeah, there you get his cover and then a random CD, like random color. I don't know if it's supposed to be related to the member, but I don't know. And then here's the little photo book. But yeah, you just get every member. And then credits. And then the CD. The photo cards are below here. Under this thing. Which I hate how this is packaged so much. Okay. Oh my gosh! Oh! Okay, I think this is, yeah, okay. This is Hitchon's AR, like the clip card. And then Dungeon's, oh, I cannot get this out. Selfie? Which, oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful selfie card. I cannot get this out. Yeah, we have Dungeon and Hitchon. Yay! So cute. Alright, and then for the next cover, this is Jenna. So yeah, it's not a surprise. I did get all 7. I'm sorry. I was just really scared. The photo books are the same, so I'm not gonna go through that. So we're just gonna look at the pulls of the rest of them. And this doesn't look like a duplicate, so that's nice. Can we please? I hate the way these are packaged. Like, I cannot get this out. Okay, we got Jamin, and then I think this is Chunla's selfie card. Oh my gosh, I cannot get this out. I don't have time for this. Okay, ooh, okay. We got it. So we have Jamin's clip card and then Chunla's selfie card. So far, no dupes, but I say that and everything else is gonna be a dupe. Okay, and then the next one. This one is Jamin. Ah. And who did we get? Oh, it looks different. So we got Jenna and Jenna. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is so good so far. Oh my gosh, I cannot pick it up. There we go. So we got a Jenna set. Jenna set and a Jamin album. And the next one is Ranjun. I just realized I forgot to show the posters. Here is Jenna's poster. Here is Jamin's poster. And then this is Dungeon's poster. Okay. Oopsie. Okay. This looks different. Oh my gosh. This is like such a great, like, such great pools. Like, variety. That one looks, is that different? No, that's Jamin's. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. We got hitchon. Yay. Oh my gosh, she looks so good. If I can pick this card up, that'd be great. Can you please? Please. Please. Okay. So we got hitchon and Jamin. Wow. I've pulled like almost all their, like, I've pulled 4 different selfie cards. We have Jenna. Oh my gosh. I love this outfit, so this cover, I really love it. And then his poster. Looking cute as ever. Yeah. Oh my gosh, why did it make that sound? Anyway. Oh, Jamin and Nanjin. Oh my gosh, the variety. The variety. I am loving it. This is great. Oh my gosh, I cannot pick these up. Okay. This is great, honestly. I am so happy. The variety is so good. And then this one. Also, let's talk about the packaging a little bit. Some people are so annoyed with his packaging, but it's really cute to me. Like, I really like the idea. And it's not that hard to unseal or seal back. And you're like not tearing anything. So I like it. It's really cute to me. This is Jisung's cover. I don't know. I really like the idea. It looks like a chip bag and I love it. And then here's his poster. Who did we pull? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Why did that happen? Okay, I got it back together. Oh my gosh, it's gonna keep doing that. Okay. Oh, that's kind of sad. I'll connect it back. And then photo cards. Oh, they're both upside down, but this looks familiar. I think it's Jamin. Yeah. And then let's see who this is. Oh my gosh. Jisung! Yay! Another AR clip card. So far we have 1 dupe. They're both Jamin dupes. Jamin, what are you doing? Okay, and then the last one is going to be Mark. Yeah, we haven't got Mark's cover yet. Mark. And here's his poster. Oh my gosh. I probably like his cover the best because it's like the most close-up cover there is. All the other members are so far away and I kind of hate it. Like, I don't know. I feel like they could have picked better pictures for the cover. Okay. We got 2 dupes. We got Jenna and hitchon. So we didn't pull Jisung's selfie or Mark's selfie. Come on, give it to me. So I feel like we did pretty good. We pulled 4 out of 7 members. I feel like it's pretty good. And then for the clip cards, it's the same. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So I don't know. I feel like I did pretty good. That is it for my NCT Dream Hot Sauce jewel case version unboxing. I got all 7 covers. Yay. And the pulls were pretty good. I feel like they were pretty good. But yeah. Alright. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.